morning. I'm not delivering a speech. No, don't be afraid. It's not going to be long. I would like to welcome you, as always, to our June event. It's our end of the year party. We are always very happy to see you all and to enjoy your company during this time. I would like to say that this year we are holding this event with a bit of a sad heart because you might know that one of our long-time teachers, Ibu Reni, passed away this week. So that brings a note of sadness. But that also reminds us all that our traditions, and this party is a tradition, we have held this party for all the years our students have been here. And it is our happy times. Even though they are simple times, we get together, the students perform for you. They might not be the best singers, actors, or actresses, but they have improved. They have improved since the time they were in preschool. And so we might not be the best performers. It might not be the, best party, but it is our tradition. And it is a memory for the students. Every year they perform, they do this, they do that, they decorate in different ways. They work together. Nowadays, honestly, I do nothing. I am a guest like you. They do everything themselves. And I'm really proud of them. When they were small, the teachers did everything for them, but not anymore. So the students, the teachers, of course, the parents, and I myself, over the years, have enjoyed these events. And we will leave, and the students will leave our center, and parents, some parents we might not see again during our celebration as students move and move on to university higher study. But these happy memories, these are the good memories that stay with us. Just like in the case of Bureni, she's not with us. That makes us sad. But the happy memories, the time she joins us, the time she spent in the classroom with the students, of course, those are part of our happy times. And so I hope that this will be a happy time for you too, for the students, and we will remember them as years go by. So thank you very much, and enjoy, even though, as I said, we are with a bit of a sad time. Thank you.